Assalamualaikum my dear friends, welcome back again my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you in this videos free crochet headband patterns, easy homemade hand knitted new stylish different free crochet headband patterns in 2023. Do you have new ideas of new stylish unique crochet patterns? Please tell me in the comment section to tell me how was my video. So I always try to bring attractive crochet patterns. So I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. I always try to bring you unique different crochet videos. Thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. Enjoy new all modern different crochet headband patterns. Boys, I will meet you in next video. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz.